Hello all, my name is Sachin. I study 7th grade in Ksirs International School. Today, I am gonna give an interesting talk on one of the most greatest puzzles of all time, which is the Rubik's Cube. The Rubik's Cube was invented by Erno Rubik, who was an Hungarian professor of art. He called it the magic cube at first, and it was made of wood. He even shaved off the corners. It was quite big and heavy. It was invented in 1974 and he patented it in 1975. Now I will tell about the Rubik's Cube's characteristics. It can be turned in 30 directions and each one has a notation to it. And then it has 20 pieces in total, and it has 3 types of pieces, which is the center piece, the edge piece, and the corner piece. There are more than 5 million cubes sold worldwide. The recent owner of the brand Rubik's Cube is Spin Master. Now I will tell about the types of cubes there are out in the world. There are many different types of cubes and there are many sizes, various sizes of this same cube. For example, these are all my WCA cubes, which means these cubes have been used in WCA tournaments. These types of cubes. I have the 2x2, the 3x3, the 4x4 and the 5x5. So, these cubes have been used in cubing tournaments held by the WCA. And then, these are my non-WCA cubes, which means these cubes are not used in WCA tournaments. They are used in other tournaments. The examples are the pyramids, the mirror cube, this cube, and then this one, which is really not a cube. It's like this. It's not used in any tournament. I got it in a market at the government. These are the various types. And then now I will speak about the ways to solve it. I'm not going to give a full detailed thorough explanation on how to solve a cube, but then I will give you a small insight into it. For example, you see in Rubik's Cube, especially the 3x3, we use simple algorithms lots of times to solve it easily. For example, this algorithm is called the right side algorithm. And this algorithm is called the left side algorithm. So like that, there are many other algorithms. If all of them are used and in the correct way, according to the case, then you can effectively, easily and quickly solve a Rubik's Cube.
Ksirs Live.